Hey y'all, just wanted to make a quick review of the BM08 vacuum cleaner. I think it's pretty badass. Like, I wish they made other vacuum cleaners like this. It stands on its own. You can also like hook it up to the wall over here if you want, but I prefer it, much prefer it like this. It has like an automatic suction thing on it, so you don't, it kind of adjusts, like if you're on carpet or on hardwood floor, it adjusts how hard the suction is, which is cool. It's really easy to clean. You just pop that button and it all falls out, and I just cleaned it. And then it's got this nice light on the very front so you can see all the stuff you're picking up. And my second favorite part about this is that the head, like, it's really swivels super easy when you turn it. So vacuuming on stairs is a breeze. You just touch it once and it stays on. And you can see it's cycling at 65%, I guess. And then, so it's really nice, like, especially on stairs. You just twist and bam, and then twist and bam, and you can shorten this. Yeah, I can't do it with one hand, but anyways, you can shorten that down and make it really easy for yourself for stairs, or if like you're a shorter person. Boom. Boom. Next. And it's like the perfect width for your stairs too. I can't get enough of how easy it is to do stairs. I have another Dyson, or before it broke, my Dyson, it was really hard to do stairs, so yeah, anyways, you can't go wrong with this thing, love it.
right, I've been running this for 42 minutes so far, and it's used about 80% of the battery. So this thing lasts quite a long time. 42 minutes, 80% of the battery. I think that this is the longest running one I've ever had.